everyone, this is Chrissy from BSL. It is exciting to introduce our product. This is 241 kilowatt battery bank, which named bslbattt Cubicon. As you can see, the height is 2.3 meters, the length and width are 1.15 meters and 1.1 meters respectively. This is ventilation. The functions contribute to the heat dissipation of Cubicon greatly. After introducing the appearance of the Cubicons, then let's explore the internal structure. Inside the Cubicon, there are temperature control function, BMS, EMS, smoke sensor, and fire extinguisher module. Each battery pack consists of 3.2 voltage, 280 ampere-hour or 340 ampere-hour lithium iron phosphate cells. Each pack is 16 series and 1 parallel, and the actual voltage is 51.2 voltage. The DC side of the battery is already wired internally, and only the AC side and external communication cables need to be installed on site, so it is easy for installation. Above are the introductions of the structures of the Cubicons. Then let me show you more parameter details. According to different projects, there are 4 kinds of battery solution: 200 kilowatt, 250 kilowatt, 220 kilowatt, 241 kilowatt. The cycle life is 6,000 at 80% DOD. Capacitive can be expandable through parallel connection. Built-in BMS, EMS, FSS, TCS, IMS. IP54 industrial strength housing withstand harsh weather conditions. 280 ampere-hours, 340 ampere-hour high capacitive battery cells with an energy density of 130 watt-hour per kilogram. Safety, environmental protection, higher thermal stability. Support communication with many inverters as Deye, Margaritaville, Songlingtech, and so on. BSL commercial and industrial energy storage battery are IP54 rated and can be placed in outdoor areas. They are designed to meet the diverse needs of community solar system, rural microgrids, hospital, school, small manufacturers, and more. If you are interested in BSLBATT Cubicon, please don't hesitate to contact us.